How to reach a real person at TransUnion. So you would call 1-800-916-8800.
Thank you for calling TransUnion. For English, press or say 1. Calls are recorded for quality and training purposes. Main menu. As a result of COVID-19 pandemic, the national credit reporting agencies are offering one free credit report every 7 days to help you stay on top of your credit. Visit www.annualcreditreport.com for fast and easy access to your free credit report. How can we help you today?
Dispute.
I heard that you're calling about a dispute. Is that correct?
Yes.
If you are calling to check the status of a dispute that you filed recently, please say or press 1. If you are calling about another dispute-related issue, please remain on the line. We're excited to offer a new mobile messaging experience. To continue this conversation over text, press or say 1 for Android and 2 for iPhone. Otherwise, stay on the line for the next available agent. Did you know you can open a dispute and upload supporting documentation online? Go to transunion.com/dispute to easily open a dispute, upload supporting documentation, and get notified of results once the investigation is complete. Transunion.com/dispute also conveniently allows you to view your results and updated credit report. Please remain on the line while we transfer you. Due to high call volume, please be advised our wait times are longer than usual. Please say or enter your current mailing zip code. You entered. Press or say 1 if this is correct, or press or say 2 to try again. Please say or enter your full social security number. You entered. Press or say 1 if this is correct, or press or say 2 to try again. Please say or enter your date of birth using 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, and 4 digits for the year. You entered. Press or say 1 if this is correct, or press or say 2 to try again. To verify, say or enter the numeric portion of your street address, followed by the pound key. You entered. Press or say 1 if this is correct, or press or say 2 to try again. We are currently experiencing longer than average wait times to speak with an agent. To continue waiting for an agent, press 1. To retain your place, please hold while you are transferred to the next available agent. Thank you for calling. Your call is very important to us and will be answered in the order it was received.
That's how you reach someone at TransUnion. At first, they will ask you to press 1 to speak to an agent or press 2 to hold your place in line if you have called before. If not, they will ask you to answer personal questions about yourself to identify you, probably 2 questions. Then they will prompt you to that question to click 1 to speak to an agent or press 2 to hold your place in line, and they will call you back. All right, guys, good luck. Peace.